is here. It launches on the 31st. We did a sailor theme. I love how it turned out. New collection. Do you like it? Oh, he's looking at the bottom. I'm so excited to introduce my first lash to Kylie Cosmetics. Ever since quarantine started, I have been wearing no lash extensions. I have been experimenting a lot with strips again and individuals, and these are everything. Ariel actually helped me with these. Shout out to you, Ariel. I love how they make my eye look. I'll show you guys a throwback video when I shot the sailor photo shoot to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so we are behind the scenes of my sailor collection. I am launching my first ever lash for Kylie Cosmetics. We just put it on. Ariel helped me design these. They are everything. So this is no lash, and then this is with the lash. First of all, this is no filter. Ariel's makeup is flawless.
Why are you so zoomed in? That's crazy.
Because I want to be here. We use this baby pink from my Sailor palette and the blue. So pretty. And then I have my Sailor lashes on.
Wow, look at your eye color. People don't know your eyes are actually green.
They're not green. We're switching my look right now. Wow, wow. How pretty are my shadow sticks? They're so easy to apply. So shimmery and gorgeous. Do you like them, Ariel?
I love them.
This is all. Now we're topping it with this gold from my palette. I mean, fire.